Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the withdrawal limits on a SoFi account. SoFi sets transaction limits on your checking and savings accounts primarily for security and to prevent fraud. These limits can vary based on the type of transaction you are making. Let's break down the most common daily limits for withdrawals and spending. First, for cash withdrawals at an ATM, the general maximum daily ATM withdrawal limit for your SoFi checking and savings account is $2,000. Keep in mind that some ATM operators may have a lower limit per transaction, but $2,000 is SoFi's daily maximum. Note that some older SoFi Money accounts may still have a limit of $1,000. It's always a good idea to check your specific account details in the SoFi app or website. Second, the daily limit for purchases made with your SoFi debit card, also known as the point of sale or POS spend limit, is $6,000. This limit applies to transactions where you use your card to buy goods or services. Third, if you need cash over the counter at a bank, the daily limit for an over-the-counter cash withdrawal is generally $150. Fourth, for electronic transfers out of your account, specifically peer-to-peer or P2P transfers, the limit is typically $1,000 per day and $3,000 per month. However, for ACH transfers, which are often used for larger payments to other banks, the daily limit can be much higher, sometimes up to $100,000. It is important to remember that these limits are set by SoFi and can sometimes be different for individual members depending on account history. If you are ever unsure of your specific limits, you can check them on the SoFi app or website. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.